Hi, I'm Martha. Welcome to Essential Somatics. Today I'd like to show you a very effective release for the iliotibial band. And the good news is that you don't need foam rollers, deep tissue massage, or any kind of body work to do it. You're going to learn to use your brain to release the tight iliotibial band and the muscles at the center of the body that are contributing to that pain. So the iliotibial band is a thick band of fascia that attaches from your hip to the outside of your knee. Now, why would that be painful? Well, from a somatic point of view, iliotibial band pain is a symptom of sensory-motor amnesia in the center of the body. Remember that sensory-motor amnesia is that state of chronically contracted muscles that have become chronically contracted in response to stress. You've just gotten stuck in your stress. And in this case, it's the trauma reflex. You're slightly twisted or side bent, a little bit more to one side than the other, and your pelvis is out of alignment. The iliotibial band is merely compensating for an imbalance in the center of the body. So the best thing to do is address the pattern that's at the root of your pain, as well as the part of your body that's painful. You're going to get a whole lot more bang for your buck when you do it that way, and your iliotibial band pain will probably stay away, and you'll have a lot more efficient movement. So, let me show you how. Lie with the painful side of your body upward. Cushion your head with the arm against the floor, and extend your top leg to the bottom of your mat. Flex your foot, and lift your leg about 4 inches up towards the ceiling, contracting the side of the leg. You can put your top hand on the outside of your thigh and push up against your hand to make sure that you're contracting the thigh and that IT band. Once you feel the contraction, very slowly lower your leg. It might feel jumpy or shaky, that's okay. Slow it down. And once it's back to the mat, completely let go. Let's repeat that one more time. Flex the foot. Lift the leg about 4 inches. You may feel your glutes contract as well, and that's okay. And very slowly lower it to the floor. Let everything go. Now let's add the waist muscles to this movement and connect the leg to the center of the body. The waist muscles, or the obliques, are like a pulley that draw the hip to the armpit, and they shorten the waist. So flex the foot. Lift the leg, contract and slowly draw your hip up to your armpit by using the muscles of the waist. Focus on releasing the obliques, making space in the waist and ribs, and slowly let your leg go. Let's add the very last part. Extend your arm up over your head in line with your eyebrow. Flex your foot, lift your leg, contract the leg. On the exhale, float the fingertips up to the ceiling, reach down towards your leg, contracting the waist muscles as you draw the hip and leg up toward the armpit. This is a variation of the side bend, and you're pandiculating the waist and the leg together. Slowly release on the inhale and let everything go. What you're doing here is contracting into the pattern of tightness and then slowly releasing out into a new muscle length and a renewed sense of control. This is happening at the level of your brain, and it's a pandiculation. Let's do it one more time. Lift the top leg, flex the foot, contract the side of the leg, exhale, float the arm up and over as the head lifts naturally. The leg and the hip come up and make an accordion out of the waist. The bottom side waist is long as the top side waist is short. Now slowly release out of it, breathing as you need to, and completely let go. Precede this movement with arch and flatten, and follow it with the wash rag, the walking exercises, just to bring it more into the center. Now, it's really important to address your body in 3 dimensions: front, side, and back of your body. And this is going to go a long way towards teaching your brain to restore free and easy movement. And when you do that, I think IT band pain is going to be a thing of the past.